In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide mutual servers on Discord. If you've been wondering whether it's possible to hide your mutual servers from other Discord users, it's important to understand how this feature works. At the moment, Discord does not provide a setting that allows you to hide mutual servers while remaining a member of those communities. Whenever you and another user share the same server, Discord may display that information on their profile. However, there is one way to ensure that a specific server no longer appears as a mutual server, and that's what I'll be showing you in this tutorial. To begin, open Discord on your computer and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're on the main Discord screen, look through the list of servers displayed along the left side of the application. Locate the server that you no longer want to appear as a mutual server with another user. Before continuing, make sure you're selecting the correct server, because leaving it will remove your access to all of its channels, messages, and conversations until you're invited back or rejoin the server, depending on its settings. After opening the server, look toward the top left corner of the Discord window where you'll see the server name. Click on the server name to open the drop-down menu that contains several options related to managing your membership in that server. From the menu, locate and select the Leave Server option. Discord will display a confirmation window to make sure you really want to leave. This confirmation step helps prevent accidental removal from a community, so take a moment to review your choice before proceeding. If you're certain you no longer want to be a member of that server, confirm the action. Once you've left the server, you will no longer share that particular community with other members, which means it will no longer appear as one of your mutual servers with them. Keep in mind that this only applies to the server you've left. If you and the other user still share membership in other Discord servers, those communities will continue to appear as mutual servers. Likewise, if you later rejoin the server, it will once again be listed as a mutual server between you and other members. At this time, Discord does not offer a privacy option to selectively hide mutual servers while remaining a member. Leaving the server is the only way to remove that server from the mutual servers list. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how mutual servers work on Discord and the only available method to prevent a specific server from appearing as a mutual server. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.